In this video, we will see LHB bogie parts and their work. Each Fiat bogie uses two vertical secondary dampers. Yaw dampers are connected in between the bogie frame side support and car body support. These are hydraulic shock absorbers to damp the accelerations caused, due to track irregularities and opposing force depending on the speed of the movement. One secondary lateral damper. It is connected bolster beam and the traction frame. Anti-roll bar. The rolling motion of the car body is resisted by an anti-roll bar, with the help of a torsion rod. It is connected with the bolster beam with link bars, and rest on the brackets, connected with the frame. 4 safety cables. Our next topic is traction assembly. Friends, if you really like to learn railway videos, please share your comment or I will switch different topic. Thank you. Let's grow up. Never stop your learning.